Alright, do it right here.
Yeah, that's good.
Wait, what?
You're saying you look like
What'd you say?
Vagina Jones?
This could be his part clip right here. And then just use every clip
Yeah.
of him trying on it. Those people how many tries to
Why do you guys gotta do this to me?
It's a 4-stair.
I mean, like you said, it's easy.
Vagine? Are you a vagine?
You a vendor?
Trying to do like a north or something? Trying to do like a north or something?
No, you gotta land it. You always have to land it. Or else people will think you're a bitch.
We got fucking bragging rights.
Huh?
If you don't land this, we got bragging rights forever.
You're gonna have it either way, like.
Yeah, but if you land it, it won't be as bad.
No, fuck you. You know it's gonna be as bad.
No. Because then at least you have the satisfaction of knowing you landed it.
Right. Not really.
It's better than not landing it. It's a 4-stair, dude.
I know.
The thing is, you tried it, so you kind of have to do it.
Yeah.
Can we put a cone so it's easier? Safety first. Yeah, I see.
Oh my god.
Like I said, he has hard flips over everything.
I thought he was gonna land it. Right now. I thought my choices on hobbies. You're gonna start scootering.
No, play football.
Better not. Football! Football since 2013, let's go!
Dude, you gotta get it. You just land it right here. Justin, hard flip it. Dude, come here. Come here. Come here, dude. Just come here. Dude, so you're gonna give up?
No, I'm gonna cry and then I'm gonna do it.
Dude, that. I'm gonna put like in big, bold, flashing letters. David Metzger Vs.
You use this.
David Metzger Vs Akron 4-stair.
I will this on each and every
David, you're gonna have your own part. It's gonna be called David Metzger vs Akron 4-stair.
AKA El Toro. Dude, I'm gonna put a video. It's gonna be called David Metzger 360 Big Flips El Toro.
So everyone clicks on it.
Then land it. If you land it right here, I will not use anything. But you have to land it right here. Oh God! Nate, move! Oh! Oh God! Nate, move!